First, if you want to use a new font on CapCut, you'll need to download a font file. You can get free fonts from websites like thefont.com. Just browse here and pick the font you like. For example, I choose this one. After downloading, open the zip file. Look for the file that looks like this. Okay, so double click it, then simply hit install and done. So now go back to your CapCut on your PC. I'll just open an existing project because I want to show you quickly how the new font looks. So click on text, then default text. Don't forget to click the plus button here so it adds the text to your timeline. I'll also change the text color so it's easier for you to see on screen. So now click on font. Simply type the name of the font you installed earlier, then press enter. And there you go. Once you see your font, just click on it and it will automatically change the font on your text. So that's it.